Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Mario. This is episode 2 of Will It Twinkie Thanksgiving Leftover Edition. Stick around. Okay, so what I got here is the American Twinkie pan, and I'm using this one again because it's deeper than the other one and I really want to be able to fit the multiple layers. So here we have some stuffing, some garlic mashed potatoes, some turkey, and some bacon, and we're going to do a combination of all of what you see here. Okay, got my food gloves on. I am going to take some stuffing, and I'm going to try to form it into the pan. And there's a little pocket in there now. And what we're going to do now is take a piece of turkey, pop it in there, a little more stuffing, put that on top. And that's pretty much the base of it, and we're gonna again have some variations of that. A little more turkey, some really good bacon here, compliments of GRUBDUDE. Yeah, 2 pieces of bacon, right? I'm gonna put a little more of that stuffing on top just to close it up. All right, grab some more stuffing. Well, obviously this is Thanksgiving leftovers, but you know, you can make this stuff any time of the year. I am going to now get some potatoes, put that in there, and maybe a little turkey. I don't know if I can fit bacon in there, so I'm not going to try. And let's just top this off and seal it up. I had a lot more stuffing, but people got to it, unfortunately, so we're just going to make 3 to try out right now, and we can snack along the way. Okay, let's go down to reheat. I don't use that often. Let's start it up. It looks like the reheat does not need to preheat, so let's get the food in there. Okay, all right, get that in there, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, and what would Thanksgiving dinner be without some gravy? We're just going to heat this up in the microwave. We'll do this on a cook power of 4, so it heats up nice and slow for 60 seconds, and let that go. Okay, so halftime message here. Amazon finally let me open what they call a storefront. So below you'll see like 100 links to everything I use in the kitchen, and that's fine and good, but now I just have an Amazon link that'll show you everything I use, so you don't have to scroll down. You just hit the link and you'll see nice pictures and everything, so you can look for it either way if you're curious what I use. Also, links in the description to my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram accounts, where I try to update daily or semi-regularly anyway. Alright, this is about done, but I want to try one thing. I want to put this on the broil function for just a minute, and the reason why is I just want to see if I can get the stuffing just like a slight crisp to it. So just a minute, maybe 2. Okay, let's get this out of here. Alright, look at that. So now the hardest part is going to be trying to transfer this without breaking everything apart, but I got a plan for that. So I got a pan, put some parchment paper on top. I am just going to set this on top of here and attempt to flip this over to keep these intact. Alright, question is, will they come out? Almost. Alright, tap that a little. There we go. Alright, Twinkie pan, pretty clean. So now I'm going to attempt to slide these on another plate. Okay, they did fall apart a little bit. The one that stayed together the best was the one with the mashed. So the mashed was kind of like the glue that held everything together. I would have put mashed in all of them, but Donna doesn't like mashed potatoes. Alright, let's give these a try. Alright, there we go. We got the stuffing and turkey. We've got the stuffing, the turkey, and the bacon. and we have the stuffing, the mashed potatoes, the turkey, and that's it. And that stayed together better. As I mentioned, I think the mashed potatoes kind of acted like a glue to hold it all together. It ain't the prettiest thing I've ever made, but let's dig in. Oh, this is good. That's good, all mixed up into one. And I'm realizing now I probably should have cut the bacon up into smaller pieces, because there's no way it's gonna fare well. So I'm gonna get a knife and attempt to cut it in half. Okay, so the stuffing, the turkey, and the bacon, because bacon goes with everything. Oh. I'm not sure where the bacon came from, but my brother's known to go to the butcher and have bacon cut up for him. I'll have to ask him. Okay, finally, the best looking one of the bunch is the stuffing, the mashed, and the turkey, all in one package. I'm not going to call it a neat package. Oh, yeah. That's pretty good too. Well, I think the bacon one's better, because it's got bacon. Anyway, it wasn't pretty, but it was tasty. I probably could have done a couple of things different here, and I thought about this after the fact. Is I could have got those paper cupcake things and stretch them out long way, so you could pull them out, or cut parchment paper in like strips like this, and then lay them in the Twinkie pan, you know, up and down, and then I could have just lifted each one out. That probably was something I should have thought of. But either way, it's really good. I mean, what is it? It's Thanksgiving dinner all in one bite. It's like the Willy Wonka super gobbler, blue, 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 whatever it was, that had like, was a whole meal in that one piece of candy. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm putting out a new video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Now I'm plugging the Breville.